As you know, 2 weeks ago we bought two Mitsubishi Tritons. This is one of them. And they were from a company that went under, went bankrupt. And we have to remove the stickers off these. So a few of you guys have thrown some ideas in the comment section, which has been awesome. A heat gun, plastic scraper, and we've just been using eucalyptus oil concentrate, and it just wipes this residue straight off, which has been awesome. So this is the journey so far on this one. We're almost done. Have a look at the other side. So we finished this last night, started getting the residue off. Just got to wipe the rest of that off, and that bad boy will be finished. And then, of course, we need to polish, clean up all three here, and then fix up the surface rust up top, which should be nice and easy to do. Quick detail inside, it already has new tyres. It's got the Bridgestone D697s on it, ready to go. And then this thing will be ready to sell. Now, these retail for about 24,000. So I think conservatively, if I can get 20K for it, I think it cost me 8.7 plus GST plus buyer's premium. I think I'm in it for about 9.7. So if I can get 20 for this, that's a pretty damn good flip. If we go back to when we bought these, in 2015, it cost 8,300 with a premium of 830, sorry, GST 754, 9152. We're in this for tires. Tires were, I think, about 450. Rego was 700, including stamp duty. We're in this one for 10.3, and it has sold for 13,000. Gives us a profit $2.7. Not bad. This one we're in for 9.7. It's also going to need Rego of 700. It doesn't need tires. It doesn't need anything else. It is good to go. So we're in this for 10,402, and we'll be looking to get 20 for this. We'll see what the market shows, but this will give us a nice healthy 12K plus. Pretty tidy return on a $18,854 investment. There we go, a pretty quick flip. I'll do another video when we have sold the 2017, which I think it'll go pretty quick. And that's where the money is going to be made, in that one. And then we need to get on to some more cars.